Today we're using AI tools for fast online income to build, test, and automate a cash flow loop. Right now, people are earning while they sleep by letting simple AI automations run boring tasks. My bots never ask for vacation. They just want clean input. Stay with me. The last tip will change how you approach AI automation for passive income. Let's start with the foundation. Before writing a single prompt, pick a repeatable job that people already pay for. Repeatable is key because that's where automation delivers exponential value. The second keyword is painful. The more tedious or error-prone the task, the more value you provide. Think of the digital grunt work clogging up workflows. E-commerce managers despise cleaning up messy product data. Sales teams burn hours on manual lead research. Content creators get bogged down writing podcast show notes. These are real problems and businesses will happily pay to make them disappear. By focusing on an existing need, you're not creating demand, you're channeling it to a better, faster, AI-powered solution. Once you've identified the pain, crystallize your solution into a one-sentence promise using a before and after framework. State the frustrating before and contrast it with the ideal after. For example, instead of, "We clean up product data," promise this: "We turn your messy supplier spreadsheets into perfectly structured, SEO-optimized product listings ready for Shopify in under an hour." For lead research, don't say "We find leads." Say, "Stop wasting days on prospecting, we deliver a verified list of 100 ideal customer profiles to your inbox every Monday morning." This clarity immediately communicates the tangible result, making your service instantly desirable. This next step is a crucial strategic decision. Define your exact output format before you build anything. This is the tangible artifact your customer is buying. Is it a CSV file, a Google Sheet, or a ready-to-publish PDF? Defining this first acts as a blueprint for your entire AI system. It forces you to think from the customer's perspective. How will they use this in their workflow? For that lead research service, the output isn't just a list. It's a Google Sheet with specific columns: first name, last name, company, title, and verified email. This specificity provides a clear target for your AI agents, turning a vague goal into a concrete engineering problem. Pattern interrupt. Now a crucial mindset shift. Stop and listen carefully. Sell outcomes, not prompts. Your customers do not care about your clever prompt engineering. They don't care if you're using GPT-4 or Claude. They don't buy the process, they buy the result. Selling prompts is like a chef selling you the recipe instead of the finished meal. Your customers are buying back their time, a reduction in errors, and peace of mind. The AI is your kitchen. Keep it behind the scenes. Your marketing should be relentlessly focused on the tangible, valuable outcome you deliver. You're not selling AI, you're selling a solution. To deliver that outcome reliably, think like a factory manager. Don't solve the entire problem with one massive prompt. That's brittle and impossible to debug. Instead, break the work into an assembly line of specialized AI agents. Each agent has one specific job. Your intake agent receives and validates the customer's raw data. The clean agent standardizes it. The enrich agent performs the core task, like finding an email. Crucially, a QA agent checks the work for errors, ensuring quality. Finally, the deliver agent formats the data into the predefined output. This modular approach makes your system robust, scalable, and far easier to manage. Finally, while you hide the complexity of your prompts, you must showcase the simplicity of your process. On your website, visually represent the journey. Step 1. Upload your data. Step 2. Our AI assembly line gets to work. Step 3. Review your draft. Step 4. Download your finished file. This isn't about revealing your secret sauce, it's about building confidence. It demystifies the black box of AI and replaces it with a transparent, predictable system. This visual proof shows customers you have a structured process, not just a ChatGPT window. It makes your service feel professional and trustworthy, answering their unspoken question, "How do I know this will work every time?" How do you build AI that you can actually rely on? The answer isn't a single massive brain, but a team of specialists. This is the core idea behind durable AI. Let's break down the 5-agent pipeline, a model that automates complex workflows and saves countless hours. By giving each agent a single focused job, we create a system that's not only powerful, but also transparent and controllable. This is automation that works with you, not just for you. It all starts with Agent 1, intake and tagging. Think of this as the digital receptionist for your operation. It monitors the front door, an email inbox, a web form, or a Slack channel. It doesn't just read, it understands, intelligently extracting key fields like names, account numbers, and the core issue. Then its most critical first step, it tags each item by urgency and category, instantly separating the critical from the routine, ensuring the most important tasks get attention first. Next, the raw information is passed to Agent 2, processing and cleanup. This is your system's dedicated data janitor. It meticulously cleans up the text, stripping away messy email signatures and correcting typos. It standardizes inconsistent data, turning next Tuesday into a precise date, or formatting phone numbers correctly. It even retitles vague submissions like help into structured searchable titles. This agent prevents the garbage in, garbage out problem, ensuring every downstream agent works with pristine, reliable data. With clean data in hand, Agent 3, our research and citation specialist, gets to work. This agent acts as your tireless research assistant with a crucial safeguard. It only consults your pre-approved sources like an internal knowledge base or product documentation. If a customer asks about a feature, this agent finds the official spec sheet, extracts the correct information, and adds it to the record. Crucially, it includes a direct citation, a link to the source, so your team can always verify the information, building trust into every task. Now for the critical checkpoint, Agent 4, Quality Assurance and Approval. This agent is your guardian, ensuring nothing goes out that shouldn't. It systematically checks the work against a predefined set of rules. Does the response adhere to company policy? Is the tone on brand? It scans for risky claims or accidental disclosures of private information. Items that fail are flagged in red. After automated edits or a flag for human review, the flags flip from red to green, signaling it's approved to proceed. Finally, with the green light, Agent 5 handles delivery and summary. This is the dispatcher ensuring the processed, researched, and approved information gets to the right place in the right format. It can create a new ticket in Jira, update a record in Salesforce, or draft an email. It also sends a friendly, concise summary card to the right person, a Slack notification to a sales rep about a new lead. The loop is closed, the job is done, and the right people are notified. One job per agent. This simple principle is the key to building durable, enterprise-grade AI. Because each agent is a focused specialist, the system is transparent and easy to debug. If you need to improve research, you only update Agent 3. This modularity is how you move beyond fragile experiments and begin to scale your operations with true confidence and reliability. Feed small, perfect examples. 10 good samples beat 1,000 random ones. Use short, structured prompts, role, constraints, success criteria. Add guardrails, no private data, cite facts, allow only trusted domains. Learning something new? Hit like and subscribe. Comment game changer if you would try this. Version everything. If quality slips, roll back. Warning, avoid prompt bloat. Our third tool is the AI Content and SEO Optimizer. Launch with a hyper-specific micro-offer. One clear outcome for a fixed price, like SEO optimize one blog post. The key is promising delivery in 24 to 48 hours. This speed builds immediate trust and makes the buying decision incredibly easy for a new customer, proving your system's efficiency from the first interaction. Next, price the outcome, not your hours. Customers buy results, so this decouples your revenue from effort, which is essential for scaling with AI. Then, add an express lane option. This premium tier for faster delivery caters to urgent needs and boosts your average order value without complicating your core process. It's a simple, effective upsell. To optimize, you need data. Instrument your entire system to track everything. Monitor throughput, jobs completed per day. Measure average turnaround time. Log every error and revision request. This data is your feedback loop. It pinpoints bottlenecks and shows you what to improve. Without these metrics, optimization is just guesswork. Data-driven decisions are key to enhancing quality and speed. As you grow, don't build a single monolithic super agent. A complex system is brittle and hard to scale. Instead, scale by creating parallel lanes like a digital assembly line. Use multiple specialized agents for each step. One for keyword research, another for drafting, a third for SEO scoring. This modular approach is more robust, easier to manage, and lets you process many orders simultaneously. AI isn't perfect, so keep a human in the loop. Their role evolves from doer to reviewer, providing final quality assurance. The human handles the nuance, creativity, and edge cases AI struggles with. This hybrid model combines automation's speed with human expertise, creating a defensible quality moat that sets you apart from purely automated competitors. Finally, automate all non-core administrative tasks. Use tools like Zapier to handle invoicing, payment reminders, and client updates automatically. Freeing yourself from this low-value work lets you focus on quality and growth. It also ensures a seamless, professional customer experience which builds loyalty and reinforces your value. The core principle is simple. Parallel beats bigger. A resilient system of specialized agents working in concert will always outperform a single, fragile, monolithic one. The real power of AI automation is stamina. It does the boring work the same way every time. You design the system. It delivers the value. If you found this useful, smash that subscribe button. Join Smart AI Hustle for weekly videos on AI, money making, and the future of tech. Thanks for watching.